Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can hide like counts on Instagram. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Instagram application on my phone, and the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram profile. We can tap on this profile button to open our Instagram profile. Then we can just select a post we want to hide the like count, and I'm gonna go with this post, so we can tap on the post. Then we can simply tap on this three dots button, and we can click on hide like count. Okay, as you can see now, the like count has been hidden. But if you want to hide like count for all your Instagram posts, you can go to your Instagram setting, tap on this three lines button on the top right corner of our screen. Then we can go to the settings and privacy, and we can scroll down until we find the like and share counts, this one. Then you can simply tap on the circle button to hide like and share count. And alright guys, that's how we can hide like counts on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.